Very good morning one and all. Today in this class we discuss about the one of the topic in first BSc belonging to the chapter chemical bonding, that is structure of water molecule. Structure of H2O by using the VSEPR theory. VSEPR theory is nothing but the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. By using this VSEPR theory we discuss the structure of water molecule. Here the water molecule consisting of a one oxygen atom and the two hydrogen atom, there is a formation of the water molecule. Here oxygen is the central atom and this oxygen which undergoes the hybridization. Let us check the hybridization of oxygen molecule. Atomic number of the oxygen is 8 and the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and these are the electrons are present at the outermost orbitals and these electrons are also called as the valence electrons. There is a 6 electrons are present at the outermost atomic orbitals. These 6 electrons are involved in the bonding and these valence electrons which determines the structure of the molecule by using the VSEPR theory. And S atomic orbital consisting of a 2 electrons, p atomic orbital consisting of a 4 electrons, s atomic orbital consisting of a 2 electrons and the p atomic orbital consisting of a 4 electrons. In that 2p x atomic orbital consisting of a 2, 2py is 1 and 2pz is 1. This s atomic orbital and the p atomic orbital means 1 s atomic orbital and the 3 p atomic orbitals undergoes the hybridization called as the sp3 hybridization. 1 s atomic orbital, 3 p atomic orbitals combines to form a sp3 hybridization and there is a formation of the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. 1 s atomic orbital, 3 p atomic orbitals undergo form a sp3 hybridization to form a 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Oxygen is the central atom and these are the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. This is the oxygen and these are the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals and these consisting of a 6 electrons. So these are the 6 electrons are present at the sp3 hybridized oxygen molecule. If you observe the structure of the water molecule which consisting of a 1 oxygen and the 2 hydrogen atom, these 2 hydrogen atoms are attached to the sp3 hybridized oxygen atom. Z is equals to 1 for hydrogen and the electronic configuration is 1s1. The electron are present at the s atomic orbitals is combines or overlaps with the sp3 hybridized oxygen atom to form a sigma bond. Here one of the hydrogen atom and here one of the hydrogen atom to form a 2 sigma bonds. This is the structure of the water molecule. In this structure of the water molecule, if we observe the structure of the water molecule, there is a 4 pair of the electrons. If you observe the structure of the water molecule, 4 pair of the electrons. In that 4 pair, 2 are the bonded and 2 are the lone pair. Out of the 4 pair of the electrons, 2 are the bonded pair of the electrons and 2 are the lone pair of the electrons. Based on the VSEPR theory, if the molecule is undergoes the sp3 hybridization, the expected structure is the tetrahedral and the bond angle is 109 degree. Here water molecule is also undergoes the sp3 hybridization, but the structure is a bent shaped structure or the V-shaped structure and the bond angle is 104 degree. According to the VSEPR theory, the expected structure is the tetrahedral structure, but we get the bent structure and the bond angle is 109 degree, we get the 104 degree. So this distraction of the structure or changing the structure of tetrahedral from the V shaped and the bond angle is reduced from the 109 to 104 degree due to the presence of the lone pair of the electrons in the water molecule. Due to this lone pair of the electrons, the bond angle is reduced from 109 to 104 degree. Here there is a interaction is takes place. That interaction is known as the lone pair interaction. Due to this lone pair interaction, these lone pair of the electron which pushes the molecule towards itself and reduces the bond angle from 109 to 104 degree. Not only a lone pair interaction, here another interaction is also there, that is a lone pair bonded pair interaction. Due to this lone pair interaction and the lone pair bonded pair interaction, the structure is changes tetrahedral to the bent structure and the bond angle is changes from 109 to 104 degree. So, based on the VSEP pair theory, the structure of the water molecule is bent shaped or the V shaped and the bond angle is 104 degree. Thank you.